Amakosi head coach Nasruddin Nabi has acknowledged the difficulty of preparing his squad for their Betway Premiership clash against Sekhukhune United, citing post-cup celebrations and swelling speculation over his future as a major distractions. The Sosa Giants, still basking in the glory of their dramatic 2-1 Nedbank Cup final triumph over Orlando Pirates last weekend, a victory that ended a decade-long trophy drought, were held to a 1-1 draw in Polokwane on Saturday. The result left Amakosi ninth on the log with 31 points, with one match remaining in what has been turbulent league campaign. But beyond the action on the pitch, Nabi found himself having to field questions not about tactics or player performance, but about his potential departure at season's end. Speculation, he says, is unsubstantiated and disruptive. And so the rumors are not coming from the club, they're coming from journalists. I have a lot of respect for the media, but that respect should go both ways. This kind of reporting isn't just inaccurate, it's unprofessional. It creates confusion within the team and among the supporters. Reports emerged earlier in the week claiming that the club's management will part ways with the Tunisian tactician and his entire technical team at the end of the season. Both Nabi and Chiefs management have kept responses vague, simply stating that a review will be conducted once the campaign concludes. Despite the uncertainty, Nabi reaffirmed his desire to stay at the club, but not without conditions, and said, "I've said it before, I want to continue, but I need to be given the tools to succeed. It's not just about staying, it's about being empowered to do the job properly." Nabi, who was brought in after Chiefs' a dismal finish outside the top 8 last season, has overseen campaign marked by inconsistency in the league but kept with silverware, a rare highlight in recent years for the club's loyal fan base. He said the players showed great professionalism this week. After such a big final and celebrations that followed, they remained focused. That's not easy. I have to thank them for their commitment. Still, the headlines surrounding his future continue to loom large. He said, "All week, people from across Africa have been calling me, thinking I'm already done at Chiefs. That's the kind of confusion these reports create. It's not fair to me, to my players or the club." With one game left and a season review imminent, Chiefs fans and the wider football fraternity will be watching closely to see if the man who delivered long-awaited silverware will be given the chance to build on it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.